Okay, today I'm going to start to fix the front suspension back onto the car. I've got it all assembled, I've got all the new parts, nuts and bolts that I require, and the first thing I'm going to do is to fit the bump stops. Obviously that's the bump stop, that's the rebound stop, and both those have to go back onto the car body. I'm going to use quite a lot of washing up liquid, and hopefully they should go on reasonably easily. Okay, that's got the rebound stop and the bump stop fitted back to the suspension pickup point, for want of a better description. So now I'll carry on and fit the wishbone. The next job is to fit the bottom wishbone, and before we fit that to the car, I'm going to fit the bottom bushes and rubber bushes, and I'm going to fit the rubber bushes to the inside of the wishbone. So apply any lubricant would do. Some people use Vaseline, but I prefer to use washing up liquid. Just press those in as far as I can with a clamp. And now we're going to fit those to the car, and then through the big hole on the outside we can fit the other bushes. Go and put them on the car now. Before I'm fitted the wishbone, I've fitted the bolts and the washers, just to make sure that everything fits properly, because I've put lots of paint onto the car, and it all fits fine. So I'll just take those out now, and I'll fit the wishbone. What I've done is, to help get them in, I've made a bullet out of the old bolt, just ground it down, and it's nice and easy. You can just push that in. Push just in through a large hole. themselves, all the bolts that are on the car, putting quite a lot of copper slip on. Because if I don't get it off in the future, it'll be nice and easy. So now just need to torque that up. This is the bullet that I made to help align the lower wishbones. I just made it out of an old wishbone bolt, and it certainly helps. So I've greased everything up, fitted the bushes in the top, and I've got the cork washers ready, and also the bottom pin, which is greased. So I shall just slip that in there. I've got a new cotter pin here, so I'm going to try and seems about fine. Seems to fit the Well, I had to take the top trunnion off and clean the threads out in the shock absorber arm, and then I reassembled it all and the bolt went straight back in. So everything's torqued up, the top nut is torqued to 40, torqued up the bottom wishbones, I've put the cotter pin in and put the nut on the bottom of that. There's a little bit of resistance here, but absolutely no play, so that's adjusted correctly, and I've put a split pin into the top trunnion bolt. So all in all, that's that side done. Except it wasn't done, as I'd made a silly mistake in fitting the top trunnion. I'd fitted the trunnion with the bushes inboard of the kingpin, when the correct way is to have them fitted outboard. And to show the correct way, this is the picture of the correct way on the driver's side, and just for good measure, this is it on the passenger side.